As the future of aviation evolves, you expect more from intelligent aircraft. We combine statistics, machine learning, and real-time physics to go beyond systems and software. This is Ascentia, a powerful mix of intelligence and intuition. Ascentia is our prognostics and health management solution that analyzes thousands of unique parameters to better predict what your fleet needs. From the science in the sky to the engineers on the ground, we focus on high-impact parts that drive delays and cancellations, scheduling effective maintenance before minor issues become major unscheduled events. With lower costs and fewer delays, we ensure your fleet is ready when it's time to take off. It's the next evolution of predictive maintenance. More intuitive data, more proactive decisions, and a clear path to reach more destinations on time.